Hey, this is Airdrop Sniper. Today, I will be presenting you my top 5 free airdrop project that you must participate. I carefully selected them with 3 criterias. 1. Amount of investment by VCs. 2. Hype on social medias and number of users. 3. Narrative. Free airdrop projects are highly underrated. As I mentioned before, I saw someone make $500,000 from a free project called NFP. There will definitely be another opportunity like this year. The best way to ensure you don't miss out is to participate in all of them with consistency. I insist on consistency with a big C, because 99% of you guys stop farming after a few days. If you were lazy, at least stop crying like a little girl. If you are broke, you at least need to invest your time. Seriously, for each project, after everything is set up, it doesn't even take you 1 minute per day for each project. If this is too much for you, just stay broke. It's the lifestyle that you deserve. Without further ado, let's see my top 5 free airdrop projects for 2025. Number 5. MeshChain. MeshChain utilizes unused computer resources worldwide. It's designed for tasks in gaining optimization. By sharing your computer resources, you can earn tokens as rewards. Starting with MeshChain is super easy. Follow these simple steps to begin. 1. Go to their website via the link in the description. 2. Sign up with Google account. 3. Download Google extension. 4. Set up Telegram for double farming effect. As I always emphasize, early projects like these often turn into huge successes. Recently, I saw a lot of people earning over $50,000 through a simple DAWN project like these. Number 4. DAWN. I've known about this project for a while but ignored it. Now I can't ignore it anymore, so I'm bringing it to you. Before we start, join my Telegram announcement channel. I cover all additional details there. Be sure to join for more updates after this video. Now let's talk about the project. If you've done airdrop projects, you'll know about Grass. Grass gave big profits to many people. It's currently at about $3.25, but it started at 64 cents. Even those who bought it at listing saw significant profits. Those who mined it for free and held onto it also made huge gains. Grass was as simple as installing it on your PC. You could mine for free, and it delivered big results. At that time, Grass was receiving huge market attention. It matched that attention with real profits. Now there are many next Grass projects emerging. One of them was No2Pay. But today, I'm introducing the DAWN project. I'm getting involved because of a major announcement. VanEck, the largest U.S. asset management firm, invested in it. Such news acts as momentum for even bigger profits. We cannot ignore momentum like this. Some worry that VC might decline. But during a bull market, those worries will make you lose a lot of opportunities. Right now, don't think too much and just do it. VanEck isn't the only investor involved in DAWN. Dragonfly has also led substantial investments. The project has secured significant funding. That's why this project cannot be ignored. DAWN is similar to Grass and No2Pay. It operates on the Solana chain, just like Grass. It uses blockchain technology to revolutionize broadband access. DAWN is a decentralized internet provider. The platform is familiar and well-funded. To participate, install the Chrome extension. The extension lets you mine automatically. I'll show you how to install and operate it. First, download and install the Chrome extension. Once installed, you'll see it appear in your browser. Click the Continue button before logging in. We need to sign up before starting. Input your name or nickname and email address. Then enter your password and confirm it. I'll leave a referral code in the description. Make sure to input that referral code. Click the Create Account button to proceed. Complete the CAPTCHA verification at the bottom. You'll receive a verification email. Go to your email and click the Verify button. Once completed, go back to Chrome and log in. When logging in, you'll encounter the CAPTCHA verification. The CAPTCHA text can be quite hard to see. Take your time and proceed carefully. Once you're in, the mining setup is ready. Now, let's talk about boost rewards. By completing simple tasks, you can earn extra points. Follow their Twitter and join their Discord. Enter their Telegram channel as well. You'll earn a total of 15,000 points for these steps. Make sure to claim these points. Then, let the mining process run in the background. When the extension shows green, you're good to go. I'll guide you through updates like airdrop distributions. Number 3. Grass. Today, we are talking about Grass. I think it is the most successful DAWN project ever, and they are still distributing airdrop if we farm. Average users earn from $600 to $1,000 with this project. For those who has multiple PC, you should consider farming with Grass. Let's see how to farm. First, go to their website and sign up with Google account. Now link your Phantom wallet. Confirm your email. Email verification is successful. Now download their Google extension. Link will be in the description. Once downloaded, open Grass Google extension and log in with your Google account. And that's it. Check your Grass Google extension to ensure it is actively farming. That's all for today. Grass is the most successful DAWN project, and they are still distributing free airdrops. It only takes 5 minutes to set up, so just do it. It's free money. Number 2, MagicNewton. Alright, listen up, because today's free airdrop is straight up easy money. And if you miss it, someone else is walking away with your share. Don't be that guy. We're talking about MagicNewton, a Polygon-backed airdrop that is so simple it's almost insulting. Click a few buttons, claim rewards, and possibly walk away with a fat bag. If you've got 60 seconds of brain function left, let's go. So, what's the deal? MagicNewton is a crypto wallet designed to make onboarding easier, which is great because 90% of crypto users still have no idea how wallets work. The team behind it, Magic, already has 40 million active wallets. Yes, that's millions. So this isn't some random rug pull project from Twitter. More importantly, this thing is backed by Polygon and EigenLayer. It has $83 million in investment funding. So yes, it's a real project, and yes, it's giving away free rewards for early users. Which means you should be farming this before it's too late. $83 million backed. Big names, big money. Don't ignore this. Now, let's talk about how you can claim your free airdrop today. First, sign up with your Google account. Click on Roll Now to claim your random reward. Click on Explore Quests. There are 6 main quests. They are all about joining their partners' platforms. Let's do the Polymarket quest together. Once you're in the Polymarket website, sign up with the same email. Once you have finished, go back to MagicNewton and verify by entering your email. I also suggest you to complete all side missions. They are just social tasks. They are very simple. Today, I showed you a massive project which has received $83 million. They are at their very early stage, so rewards can be really huge. Remember, if you have participated at Blur or Arbitrum, you could have earned more than $20,000 for free. Number 1, Humanity Protocol. Alright, you broke degenerates. Today we're farming Humanity Protocol's airdrop. Yes, free tokens. Yes, it's RWT. This project has backing from Animoca, Pantera, and some other rich guys who will never talk to you. Similar testnet farming projects, like MeshChain, handed out $1,000 airdrops before. So yeah, maybe don't slack off on this one. What the fuck is Humanity Protocol? It's a decentralized identity platform. It uses zero-knowledge proofs, so you don't have to dox your passport and face scan. Basically, it lets you prove you're human without damn papers. If this catches on, we might finally escape KYC hell. They've also raised $50 million in funding, which means serious money is behind it. Now, let's get you some free tokens. Let's go for step-by-step tutorial. You have no excuses. Step 1. Connect your wallet. Click the link in the description, open the site, and connect your MetaMask wallet. Don't have MetaMask? Install it and stop being a rookie. Step 2. Create your human ID. Enter your ID and profile details. Click Next, and boom, you exist. Now, link your social media accounts on the top left. Hook up Twitter, Google, Discord, Telegram, LinkedIn, and GitHub. All 6 equals 60% extra rewards. If you don't have LinkedIn or GitHub, make one. It's free, and you don't even have to use them. Step 3. Confirm your address in Discord. Because nothing's real without Discord. Join the Humanity Protocol Discord. Find Human ID on the left panel and paste your ID. Click Submit Wallet and enter your Human ID. Step 4. Submit your wallet on Discord. Copy your MetaMask address on their website and submit in Wallet Submission section. Step 5. Go back to Humanity website and claim Genesis reward. Please note that I had to wait 1 day before this button works. I asked the support. They told me that they have too much traffic, which causes delay. So be patient. You can claim their free token every 9 hours. Today, I presented you my top 5 free airdrop project that you should participate. It's based on my past experience and my criteria. It may be right, it may be wrong for some of them. Don't miss out and just do them all. Thanks for watching. For every airdrop distribution updates, follow my Telegram. Also, I have a website where I gathered only airdrop projects backed by best VCs or most credible influencers. So don't hesitate to check it out. Links are in the description.